Need to program a flip key for your 2010-2017 GMC Terrain? It's often a straightforward process you can do yourself. This involves synchronizing the key fob's transponder with your car's immobilizer system. These models typically use GM's Passkey 3 Plus or similar. We'll focus on the onboard programming method, which is still widely applicable as of 2025. First, ensure you have a working flip key, access to your vehicle, and that your vehicle's ECU has no pre-existing faults. Check with an OBD2 scanner if possible. Key concepts include understanding the immobilizer system, which uses a transponder chip, typically 4D63 or 4D64, in the key to verify its authenticity with the car's ECU. Make sure you have a virgin, unprogrammed key that is cut to match the vehicle's key code. Remember, incorrect programming can trigger anti-theft features. Insert your existing working key into the ignition. Turn the key to the on position, but do not start the engine. Press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons on the working key fob simultaneously for a few seconds. Remove the working key and quickly insert the new key you wish to program. Turn the new key to the on position. The vehicle should recognize the new key, indicated by a chime or flashing security light. Cycle the ignition, turning it off, then on multiple times with the new key to ensure it's properly programmed. If programming fails, common issues include a dead key fob battery, a faulty fob, or an ECU lockout. Try replacing the dead key fob battery. Disconnect the car battery to reset the system. If issues persist, consider using an OBD2 scanner for diagnostics. If problems continue, consult a professional.